Hey subbies! Before we get started on today's video, I would love it if you would follow me on my social media. I will have it linked here on the screen, my Instagram and my Twitter. My Instagram is Comedy Creation and my Twitter is Comedy Addict. And I would really love it if you guys would hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications. You'll be notified every time I upload. Let's get into the video. Hey subbies, we're going to be talking about some fantastic family bonding ideas today. These are some wonderful suggestions for how people can spend more fantastic quality time together as a family. Some wonderful ideas are going to a public park, because being outdoors is always amazing and a lot of fun. You can also enjoy some nice time relaxing in the backyard there, having a backyard camp out there, enjoying a tent and enjoying even some delicious s'mores there, because nothing is better there than delicious chocolate anytime that you can get it, because it is always good. I really love there when you can also just enjoy the beauty of nature there, and when you are in your backyard camping there, you can even look up at the stars there and enjoy the beauty of astrology right in the backyard, and being able to compare there what everybody sees in the sky there to see if anybody sees anything similar, or all the different creations there that people are seeing in the sky. A lot of fun with a fantastic family. What could be better? I also really enjoy there being able to spend time cooking with the family. It's a lot of fun there to be able to bake desserts together there. Baking cupcakes can be a lot of fun there, when you each get to decorate the cupcakes with frosting and being able to put different candy decorations on them, or different types of fine sugar. It's a lot of fun there to be able to let your imagination run wild there when you're spending time there with your family doing things together. It's a lot of fun. Another amazing thing is enjoying Netflix together, because it is a lot of fun to be able to enjoy some wonderful movies and TV shows for a very affordable price. Much cheaper than going to the movies, which anytime there that you can shave off a few cents, why not? I love Netflix there. It's always been amazing for me, and it's always a treat there to be able to see new shows. And I really love there, after you finish watching a show or movie, it'll even then recommend shows because of what you would watch there, what else it thinks there that you'll like, and a lot of times it's actually very spot on. And it really does help there to rate what you've watched by either giving it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Makes it so much easier to then get more accurate recommendations, and being able to binge all the more easily. And it even shows you what new content is added, so then it's easier to enjoy the new content of whichever genre there that you're enjoying watching. You can also, as a family there, share some marvelous childhood memories, because those are a lot of fun there to share with one another and be able to then share for generations, because family memories are always marvelous, because it is so much fun to be able to reminisce together and enjoy the wonderful times there, to be able to sympathize and at times there empathize there with people there that are going through the stages of life there, and being able to explore fond memories and be able to create new ones there to share for a lifetime, because it's always fun there to be able to bond with family and being able to share the wonderful memories, to then even create some family bonding memories of the family bonding. Family bondingception, there you go. But I've always really enjoyed there being able to even play the classic games like Hangman there, because that's a lot of fun there. You set up a board on a piece of paper there by simply coming up with a word there, and then when you think of the word there, you draw the lines for the amount of letters in the words or word, and then the family takes turns guessing the letters, and if you guess an incorrect letter, you write the letter there at the top of the page, and then you draw a part of the body, head, 2 arms, 2 legs, and the body itself there, and once you either guess the word there, that's awesome, that's what you want to do. Or if you don't guess the word, then you get all the parts of the body, the head, the arms, the legs, and the body. Then you lose. And the neat thing is there you can go around the entire family there to be able to see who can get the most right answers, and it's so much fun there to be able to enjoy some wonderful time with family doing some long forgotten about activities. And another even fun game is to do Mad Libs as a family. Those are a lot of fun there. They even have Mad Lib books there that you can check out. They're even at a library, and you can even write your answers on a piece of paper there, and then as you're reading the Mad Lib, refer to the paper there to read in the different answers without damaging a library book, which you definitely do not want to do. But you can still have all the fun without having to touch the book at all, which is always amazing. I really hope that you guys enjoyed these wonderful family bonding idea suggestions. Comment down below what your favorite family bonding activity is. I'd love to know. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and click the notification bell to be notified every time I upload. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these ideas have definitely sparked some creativity inside of you, and that you guys make some wonderful memories with your own families. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Sensational smiles go for miles. Be sure to subscribe and stay a while. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, Subbies.